Are you wondering which service is better for streaming? Today, we'll compare Realdebrid and Torbox. Both tools help you access more content online. They enhance your streaming experience by providing better links and faster downloads. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Real Debrid. This service allows users to unlock premium links from various file hosts. It works with many streaming apps, making it popular among users. Real Debrid is known for its speed and reliability. You can watch movies and shows without buffering, which is a big plus. Now, let's look at Torbox. Like Real Debrid, Torbox also offers access to high quality links. However, it focuses more on privacy. Torbox uses encryption to keep your data safe while you stream. This makes it a good choice for those who prioritize security. So, what are the main differences? Real Debrid is all about speed and content access. Torbox emphasizes privacy and security. Depending on what you need, one may suit you better than the other. When it comes to features, Real Debrid offers a wider range of supported apps and faster speeds. Torbox, on the other hand, provides a strong level of privacy protection. If you want a seamless streaming experience, Real Debrid might be your best bet, but if you care more about keeping your data secure, then Torbox is the way to go. In terms of pricing, both services offer affordable options. Real Debrid has a few subscription plans, while Torbox usually has a simple monthly fee. In the end, if you want speed and access, choose Real Debrid. If you value privacy, go with Torbox. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.